मेरा बचपन बहुत सही था यार। मैंने बड़े समोसे खाए हैं, कैंटीन
Paper
में टाइम
plate
पास
में।
किया है।
हाँ।
I had a great school life. I had very supportive teachers, and I had started working while I was in school. So my teachers were actually almost like hand in glove,
Wow.
helping me to like complete my projects so that I give my 10th grade.
Yeah.
But I think one thing that was very interesting about my childhood and my school life was that I never made it to the drama class.
Okay.
I was always told that I can't act.
Why?
What?
It's just something that yeah. But I would like to, so I would do it anyway.
Yeah.
And I would perform, and I would find ways of performing. I was on stage. I would always dance, but I would never sort of get the acting parts. And I would, but I would always still. Then I started doing theatre soon after because मुझे school में करने नहीं मिलता था. Then I joined Prithvi Theatre so that I could do theatre.
Yeah. Interesting. Wow. Coming to the show, Do You Want a Partner?
Yeah.
I just feel, see, it's two women coming together and starting a beer business. अब मैं ये सोच रही थी कि अगर ये शो कुछ सालों पहले बनता, let's say if it was 10 years ago, I don't think these two women or you both would have been the lead characters. You would have been the bad girls in this particular show.
Why? Because you're starting a beer business. Women and
Because-
alcohol. Ooh, very bad.
Just because they're two women who thought of starting, चलो एक alcohol business start करते हैं. Do you guys agree? Like, what would have happened if the show was being made 10 years ago?
I think people have been culturally shocked.
है ना?
I don't think that people would have been ready for a show like this 10 years ago.
Yeah. कभी आप लोगों से कहा गया be a good girl, or was there any pressure that you felt of about कि यार I have to be a good girl?
Oh yeah, I've always been a good girl and I have people telling me not to be a good girl. So just break out of it a little bit, be a little bad or naughty sometimes. So
Yeah.
I've always had the opposite problem. I'm a little goody two shoes, a little bit extra.
Yeah, you actually have been the OG good girl. Like you are Meera.
I suppose. I mean, not to that extreme, but generally, I'm one to follow, conform to laws and norms and rules, and yeah, I don't like breaking. I feel it gives me like too much stress
Correct.
and like mental. Like I get yeah. I would just not be comfortable.
Tamanna, have you tried to break any good girl rule?
I think I did have the good girl syndrome growing up, but it didn't last too long. But I think it didn't come from a rebellious space. It just came from a space that I was feeling like I was stifling my real voice. And I would never like to take up too much space, and I would like to just stay kind of. I was subservient in that sense. I would like listen to instructions that were given. I would, feel validated when someone felt like I was a good person. But I think the moment I realized that people don't give you work because you're a good person and they give it to you because you know your job,
Yeah.
I think that moment was a breakthrough for me. After that, I never ever, cared for what people think of me as a person.
Correct.
But I did think of what people thought of me as a professional.
एक moment होता है वो in our lives where that switch just flips and you're like, you're done. Okay, so because this is Do You Want a Partner, I want to ask you that what is one non-negotiable for you in a partner? It could be any setting, चाहे वो business में हो, चाहे वो work space में हो, चाहे वो romantic setting में हो, चाहे वो friendship में हो. एक non-negotiable एक partner में आपके लिए क्या है?
I think any partner, like a work partner, any partner in any capacity, I think मुझसे ना झूठ बर्दाश्त नहीं होता. Like I think I am okay with knowing if something has gone wrong or some mistake is there or some problem is there. I'm all for problem solving. I'm like, you commit a murder, I'll help you like cover up, But I
Yeah.
just feel like I can't handle. I'm not very good at handling people who lie.
Lie.
Yeah.
Okay. What about you?
Same, honesty.
Same.
Trust and honesty is just non-negotiable.
Yeah, so that's a deal breaker.
In
then.
any kind of equation.
Correct.
It just really makes me very angry when people lie to my face and think that I'm stupid enough to believe it.
I think that's the bigger problem.
yeah.
That if people think you're stupid,
Yeah.
Correct.
it's not about the lying also. It's just about you thought that I would
That
not
I'll fall
understand.
for this shit.
Yeah. I think that's
Correct.
a universal theme.
Right, right. I have a fun segment for you now, which is called Who Would You Partner With If You Had to? Who would you partner with if you had to start a bakery?
that could be a dream of mine. Imagine
Diana.
eating every cake in that
तू
bakery.
खा जाएगी तू तो सब कुछ खा जाएगी. No, she's the wrong person.
No?
Who would I partner? I would,
Bakes instead
no,
of
I would
selling them.
find somebody who's who's completely at their confectionery game. Like I would do proper research and find somebody. and
Okay.
partner with that person.
Okay. Okay. Who would you partner with if you had to open a salon?
I am very like I'm a solopreneur vibe. You know? I'm actually in real life. Like if you leave me to myself, I'm a solopreneur.
Okay.
Yeah, so I would do it on my own.
Okay. Launch a fashion label
That I do myself.
yourself.
Yeah, I would love to. It's something that's on my mind and I really want to do it. So, if there's anything I get into, it would be like starting my own fashion line or something.
Interesting. Okay. Start a beauty or skincare brand.
I'll only do it.
Yeah.
Who to partner? I really wanted to partner with my best friend for makeup because she was a makeup artist. She is a makeup artist.
Yeah.
Rama Singh was. She's a makeup artist. So, but skin and all that, I'm actually working on something of my own. So I understand that while I would like to play this rapid fire, the fact is not about the genre of the business, but it's also about the actual, the back end of the business. And that you can't do with people who might understand the product, but they might not understand the business behind it.
Right. Right. Is there anybody you would partner with if you had to host a podcast?
Yeah, that's a good one.
To think of a chatterbox. Somebody will. Tamanna!
Yeah.
I was like, you have to think.
She was like waiting. Chatterbox. Who do I know?
There we go, sitting right next to me.
And she's that person who she'll talk, and she'll be like, मैं थक गई हूँ, अभी तू बात
Can you just please continue this conversation? I'll go to my phone.
Okay. And last one, both of you can answer it collectively. Open a restaurant.
I have a friend who I always wanted to open a restaurant with.
Yeah.
Yeah, but वो नहीं हुआ. We wanted a restaurant and a florist outside. I don't know why. ये बचपन के प्लान है जो कभी पूरे नहीं होते, होने भी नहीं चाहिए.
Yeah. Diana, is there anybody?
It has to be a foodie.
Yeah,
Because
foodie,
otherwise
correct.
there's no joy or fun in
Yeah.
opening a restaurant with somebody who's on a diet permanently.
Yeah.
That's true. It has to be like somebody who's on the same page when it comes to food.
Yeah. Yeah. How is a female partnership, a female friendship different from any other partnership?
You don't have to explain the obvious. You know, some things are just understood within women. At least the ones I'm experiencing right now, there's a lot more empathy. There's a lot more understanding within women who bond. And they're happy to like hear your idea of the problem.
Idea of the
yeah,
problem,
it's
correct.
like because there is the problem and then there is the idea of the problem and what you feel about the problem. So your women are always happy to hear how you feel about it.
Correct.
They're also not like so invested in the problem itself, but your perspective is very important to them.
Yeah. Correct. And I also feel that they don't always provide solutions. Like
They're like, you're right. And you're like, yes.
I mean, I honestly think all equations are independent of each other. So a guy and a guy would have their own thing going, and a
Yeah.
girl and a girl would have their own thing going. And
Sure.
they're different in their own ways, and they're also very similar in their own ways. Actually,
Right.
guys are very much like women in a lot of ways. You know, like I'm talking about guy friendships.
Correct.
They pretend to be cool and all, but actually a lot of boys also sit and gossip and, hang out and chat about
I
other
feel
people
boys
and all.
gossip more with their female friends, and they share.
Yeah,
about
so we
feelings
all
more
have,
than-
we all have the ability to be like each other in a lot of ways,
Yeah.
and equations are very similar in a lot of ways.
Correct.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share.